Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my video. In this video, I will be teaching you guys how to make Pico De Gallo so that you can energize your practice with this simple and healthy recipe. This is Kevin on Rayo Freestyle, and this is the very first video of my series called Freestyle Fuel. In my Freestyle Fuel series, I show you how to cook and prepare wholesome meals so that you can freestyle or play your sport at peak performance. If you don't know what freestyle soccer or freestyle football is, I suggest that you click this video of me explaining what freestyle football is and its hidden benefits. Now, if you're new to my channel, I like to talk a lot about self-improvement. I believe that one of the best ways to improve yourself is to learn how to prepare your own meals. Following a healthy meal plan will help improve your sports performance and save you a lot of money that you would have spent on junk food. Cooking can be considered a time-consuming task, and to some, cooking can even feel scary. Learning anything new can be intimidating. My biggest fear when I first started to prepare my own meals was that I would burn the house down. Luckily, this Pico De Gallo recipe is quick and easy to prepare. Also, it requires no cooking, so you won't be burning your house down anytime soon. Before we start to prepare the Pico De Gallo, you're going to need a few things. You will need a knife, a cutting board, a large bowl to place ingredients, and a big spoon. You will also need your ingredients. To make Pico De Gallo, you need 3 to 4 tomatoes, an onion, 2 jalapenos, a bunch of cilantro, 1 avocado, and salt. Now that you have the ingredients ready, it's time to prepare the Pico De Gallo. Start by slicing and dicing your tomatoes. The size of the cut up tomatoes doesn't matter too much. All personal preference. I like to cut my tomatoes into small pieces. I know a lot of people who don't like tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of the healthiest fruits you can eat. It is full of vitamins A, B, C, and K. It is packed with antioxidants and minerals like lycopene and calcium. Because of this, tomatoes are good for your skin, your hair, your eyes, your kidneys. They build stronger bones and help prevent cancer. Once you have your tomatoes cut up, transfer them over to a bowl and start slicing your onion. You want to slice your onions into little pieces about the same size as the sliced tomatoes. Onions are full of fiber and antioxidants. They are also full of vitamins B, C, and E, and minerals like potassium and calcium. Because of this, onions are good for supporting strong bones, healthier for your heart and digestion, good for controlling blood sugar levels, and helps prevent cancer. Now it's time to slice your jalapenos. I recommend that you slice up 2 jalapenos if you want your Pico De Gallo to have a mild to hot flavor. And it comes down to how spicy each jalapeno is. If you want to make it less spicy, cut off the white parts in the middle and remove the seeds. Jalapenos are rich in vitamins B, C, and D. They are also full of minerals like calcium, copper, and iron. Jalapenos also have a special compound called capsaicin, which is an anti-diabetic. The whole pepper in general helps to increase bone mass and prevents Alzheimer's. So we have the tomatoes, onions, and jalapenos cut up and placed in our bowl. Go ahead and cut your bunch of cilantro. Make sure that the cilantro is nicely chopped. Cilantro is full of vitamins A and C. It contains the minerals folate and potassium. Because of this, cilantro is good in helping control blood sugar levels, helps prevent Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, and reduces anxiety. Cilantro is also known for its ability to detoxify the body of heavy metals. Now, move on to one of our last ingredients, the avocado. I found that the easiest way to cut an avocado is lengthwise around the big seed in the middle. Then, you want to slice the avocado while it's still in its skin. Finally, take a spoon and scoop out the good stuff into your bowl. Avocados are an amazing source of monounsaturated fat, which is considered a healthy fat. They are also full of vitamins B, C, E, and K. They are rich in antioxidants and fiber. Because of this, avocados are heart healthy, good for your eyes, and good for your overall growth and development. Now that you have all your ingredients mixed in the bowl, it's time to add some salt for the flavor. I use regular table salt here, but I recommend Himalayan pink salt since it's the healthier choice. Sprinkle the salt and mix all your ingredients with a big spoon. And now we have our Pico De Gallo ready to serve. My favorite way to eat Pico De Gallo is served over some rice and beans. Such a simple meal but so healthy at the same time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or a dislike, subscribe, and share this video with anybody who you know that needs to improve their cooking skills. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.